Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to finish off the last row of your blanket. I'm just coming to the end of this custom Christmas order and I wanted to show you what I do to close off the top of my blanket. I'm almost at the end of my ball of yarn, so the most important thing I had to do was measure it out and make sure that I have enough yarn to close off. So what I've done is measured 4 times the length of my blanket. I've gone there, back, and then I have a little bit extra as well. So I will have enough to close off my blanket. If you don't, you'll have to grab another ball of yarn. Let's close off our blanket. What we're going to do is start on this side in this loop, and we're going to make this loop the slightest bit bigger than we usually would. And then we're going to make a loop as usual in this loop, and again, bigger than usual. You can see that my loops have been so small, so I'm making this one much bigger than usual to accommodate for closing off. So now I have these 2 bunny ears, and because I'm moving in this direction to close off, I'm going to take my left bunny ear and place it over top of my right bunny ear. Then moving to the next loop, I'm going to make another larger loop. I actually want to make this one even a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, take my left bunny ear and place it over top of my right bunny ear. We're going to continue that method of making bunny ears until we get to the end of the row. I've reached my last loops, and what I'm going to do here is make one more loop and then take again my left bunny ear over my right bunny ear and then tie a knot in this corner. After I've tied my knot, all that's left to do is weave in my ends. And all I do there is just find a spot, find several spots to hide my yarn. So I just kind of tuck it in and out of the blanket, in the white area, of course, until it's nice and hidden, and then I can trim it off. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for later, and thanks for watching.